Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing a domain and a host that supports WordPress. This gets you online fast. Once done, use the host's one-click installer or manual upload to install WordPress, and note the admin URL and credentials. Make sure to pick a theme and create a child theme so future updates won't overwrite custom work. Gather your logo, brand colors, and a prioritized list of pages to build first. These actions set a clear foundation and prevent rework later. You now build the site skeleton by creating core pages: home, about, contact, blog, and use reusable block patterns to speed layout consistency. Next, install and configure essential plugins for SEO, caching, security, backups, and a form builder so functionality is in place. Make sure to set permalinks for clean URLs, assemble your main and footer menus, and place widgets into designated areas. Finally, test responsiveness on mobile and desktop, and adjust blocks or CSS so the site looks polished everywhere. You finish by running a launch checklist. Enable SSL, create a backup, run speed and accessibility tests, and add SEO meta for key pages. Once done, connect analytics, submit a sitemap, and add robots. TXT, schedule automatic backups and updates so maintenance is routine. If something breaks, enable WP debug or use staging to reproduce the problem, deactivate recent plugins or switch themes to locate conflicts, and restore a known good backup if necessary. These final steps protect your site and make future fixes predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.